Amazon. Rimowa suitcase on Amazon. Off-white Rimowa suitcase for £56. Yo, what is going on, guys? It is your boy Ari Petru and welcome back to episode 3 of the I'm Back. Sorry. Guys, we are changing the name of this season purely because I'm Back 2020. I don't know how I came up with that. So I want you guys to comment down below right now what you would call this season of my vlogs, me posting consistently twice a week, every Sunday and Wednesday. Now, I'm gonna post every Sunday and Wednesday up until the Supreme season is back. And then I'll be posting every Sunday and Thursday, purely because the Supreme drop is on a Thursday. It doesn't necessarily mean I'm gonna be posting the Supreme drop every Thursday. So make sure you subscribe right now, tell a friend to subscribe, smash a like on this video, and now we can carry on with the question mark season, episode 3. But guys, in today's video, what we are going to be doing is we're going to be going on Amazon because somebody told me you can buy streetwear on Amazon, and honestly, I don't believe them. So what we're going to do is we're going to find out for ourselves, go onto Amazon and see what they have. Okay guys, so we are on Amazon right now on the computer, and I'm just going to type in, first of all, Yeezys. See what comes up? Okay, some Yeezys actually came up. I think these ones are actually legit. But what the hell is this? What is this? These 4D Yeezy V3 shoes. Is that what we want to call it? The proper name is running shoes, men's, women's, trainers, fitness, sports shoes. And they're a bestseller. It's UK 8. Have they got them in stock? They do, only 4 left in stock. So we're gonna get a pair of those. Let's type in Supreme. No way, bruh. They have fake Fugazi Supreme on Amazon. Like, you would never think it. Supreme New York NYC backpack. This is clearly not a backpack, but hey ho. This kind of seems too good to be true. Unless it's used or fufu. But there's only one way to find out, and that is adding it to the baskets. Customers who shopped for Supreme backpack also shopped for this. No way. They have a fake Bape hoodie on here. Look at this. There's only one way to find out how awful this really is in person. Add it to the basket. They have one of those Bape masks for £1.40, bro. It's not on Prime, so we're not gonna get it because I'm gonna be posting this video tomorrow. So Supreme money gun. But is it gold or is it red? Because the real one is obviously red. I have one right here, it's obviously red. So is this one gonna come in gold? New Supreme SS17 cash cannon money gun, make it rain money gun, red Christmas toys, fashion toy gift, 300 cash. That's actually the name of the money gun on here. Only one way to find out, and maybe we can actually compare it to the legit one. There is no way there is a fake Rimowa suitcase on Amazon. I do not believe it. Is this coming tomorrow? Free delivery by Thursday. No, for £56. Do you know what? I know Amazon's legit, and I know buying through Amazon Prime, everything's okay. So if it doesn't come, or, you know, it's got 1 bad rating, if it doesn't come, I'll just get my money back. So I'm gonna add it to the basket and see if I get an off-white Rimowa suitcase for £56. Wait, imagine somebody actually came onto Amazon and thought all this stuff was legit, or they were buying for their son and bought them loads of Supreme stuff on Amazon and thought it was all legit, and it's all foo-foo. Like, Supreme Spain have got on Amazon. I don't know how they have done that. These guys actually have fake Supreme stores, like real stores, but obviously fake Supreme all over the world, and now they're on Amazon. They are taking over. We are gonna buy one of those. What is this? There is no way. Look at the top of his head. We're gonna get it anyway. Add it to the basket. No way, bro. They have fake Cartier bangles on Amazon with Fufu diamonds and everything. Do we get one? Do we get one? Okay, I'm not gonna get that. We have some off-white AirPod cases. Might as well add it to the basket. Okay, let's go to our basket. We have an off-white AirPod case. We have a Bape hoodie that looks like... We have a Supreme backpack. We have... Oh no! I read it wrong. This is a cover for Supreme Collection suitcase. This is not actually a suitcase. Suitcase on Amazon. Guys, we are back. I thought I was gonna get an off-white Rimowa suitcase for $56.99, but instead it was just a cover. Nevertheless, guys, we have 1, 2, 3, but this is really heavy and I think it's got lots of stuff in. 4, 5 Amazon packages. Let's just get right into this. See how this stuff actually looks like. If it actually looks like the Amazon listing, or if it's an awful fake, or if it's a really good fake. I have no idea what I'm expecting. We spent around £350 on this fake stuff. Let's get right into it. The first item, I didn't actually show you guys this, but I didn't want to show you everything I picked up. I wanted some stuff to be a surprise. But here we have a fake Icy Ghosts crew neck. Now this crew neck goes for about £400, and I think this was like $29.99. It pretty much looks exactly the same as the real one, and well, the quality is actually pretty poor. Like whatever this is all like bulging out. This tag says Nagri, which I'm almost 100% sure the real ones is not a Nagri hoodie or whatever this is. I'm actually gonna put this on to see what it actually looks like though. So, what do you guys think? It's actually a really cool crew neck, but it's Fufu. It's not legit, it is not real, but nevertheless, let's carry on. Next parcel. 3 pieces of fake Amazon streetwear. Here is another one. I don't know if they actually even made this hoodie, but you know, the Cactus Jack logo's all over it. So this is a fake Travis Scott merch hoodie. It's the same quality as this. Very, very poor. Smells like pure chemicals out of a factory. I knew it, I knew it. Guys, look at this. Fake Bape hoodies even come in the fake Bathing Ape packaging. Some sort of Chinese sticker right there. We've got the fake Bape tag. This is way off. A fake Bape hoodie. The quality on this is so bad. I want to compare it to a real Bape hoodie that I have. Look at the shark on this one, and then look on this one. Now you tell me if you can tell the difference. The reds are like a completely different color. This is like a really dull red, whereas this is like a real bright red. I bet you this doesn't even glow in the dark, because the real one is glow in the dark. But hey, that's a Bape hoodie. Next one, I think this is a green. Yes, it is. Let's see what, look at this tag. Oh my god, so unbelievably fake. Look at this hoodie, bro. I'm gonna put this one on. I'm wearing a fake Bape hoodie. Now again, it just smells like pure chemicals. It's like super, super tough. Stitching, I don't know if you can see that, but the stitching literally just falls out all over the place. There is no other word for it. It's Fufu, it's fake, and you can clearly tell. Guys, the fake Supreme money gun has arrived. What is this, bro? Completely fugazi. Obviously this one is real. One last package. The fake Yeezys. Oh no way, bro. Same thing, they just stink of chemicals. Look at that, bro. Who buys these? Like, these are clearly so fake, so fugazi. Like, who actually spends, I don't know how much these were, 30, 40 pounds? Who actually buys this? These are horrendous. Please do not buy any of this stuff. You can tell it's so fake, it's so cheap, it stinks of chemicals. All of it just comes from China. Guys, a couple of the last items that I did order didn't arrive today, and I want to post this video today. They are arriving tomorrow. So that is where we're going to end off this video. Guys, if you are new to my channel, it would really, really mean a lot to me if you you could just take 2 seconds, subscribe to the channel, smash a like on this video, follow me on Instagram, it is at AriPetru, and one last word of advice. Please do not buy streetwear off of Amazon. Peace out.